Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just 6 days ago, to be precise on November 19th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $5.98 at regular hours and at $5.94 at pre-market hours. And at this point my main assumption was that this asset should retest this range that I marked by this green rectangle, and then we should see the reaction out of this range. And by the way guys, I caught the majority of its pivotal points. Here is the video that I made basically, wait a second, I will show you right here, 3 weeks ago, when the price was at $7.25. And at this point, I already drew this A, B, and C correction to the downside with a price point of roughly $5.5 mark. And take a look right here. This is the actual price action of NIO. You can see that I made my previous video somewhere at $5.8 or $5.9 mark. And since I made it, this asset hit exactly as I predicted this green rectangle and had the first reaction. And here's the most important part. They published their earnings report and the reaction is not so bullish, I would say. And as you can see, technical analysis, guys, works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to receive this type of code to trades pretty much on a daily basis with a risk-free 100% money-back guarantee and use a Black Friday 50% discount, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account with limited time offer, Black Friday 50% discount. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you what news was the catalyst, and probably you already know that they published their report, but why didn't NIO continue its movement to the upside? Instead of this, it has retest the range of support again that I marked previously. So, and first of all, let me show you some details about their earnings report. Let me show you that they beaten expectations on earnings per share by 28.56%, but they missed expectations on revenue. And the most important part is right here. You know that previously William Lee said that NIO will achieve their non-GAAP profitability in Q4 of this year, and you can see that this statement was repeated basically in this article. But take a look at these statements that were made on their earnings report. And here's the most important part. They to hit their full year profitability on a non-GAAP basis in 2026, but they didn't tell us that they will achieve this profitability in Q4. On top of that, guys, they reduced the target from 150,000 units to the range between 120 and 125,000 100,000 units. And definitely this is not the best sign when the company reduced its expectations. That is why, guys, despite the fact that their losses decreased by 31.2% on a year-on-year basis, the general sentiment right after this earnings report is published is not the best one. That is why, guys, be cautious. But on today's video I will show you one of the most bullish catalysts that might work in the foreseeable future. And here it is. This is the list of institutional investors, and I showed you this list pretty much on each and every video, but here we have the most impressive part. This is the institutional ownership of NIO Stock, NIO Depository Receipt. And you can see that this last month we have the highest level pretty much from the end of 2023. And this is a very good sign that shows that a lot of institutional investors want to buy and hold NIO in their investment portfolios. And the most recent activity is very green, you can see. And this means these companies opened new positions on NIO. And well, it is a very good sign that definitely shows the sentiment from the smart money investors list. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, as you can see, we hit this level, and we have even a tiny breakout below the range of support, but at the same time we have a very good reaction in this range. And what should we expect next? To be honest, we have to see the breakout either below this bottom or above this tiny top. Only in this case we will establish first higher highs and higher lows, or another set of lower highs and lower lows. And in this case, if it breaks this range of support, we will land lower, and in a minute I will show you what levels might be the crucial for the stock. Or if this bottom holds, we can project the top of the fifth wave. First of all, let's do some projections on the bull side of this story. And to project the top of the fifth wave, I have to pull the Fib extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And guys, as long as this bottom holds, we have very high chances to see this level at $8.94 as the range of first price target for the top of the fifth wave, which implies from our current price, let me show you, about, wait a second, I will show you right like this, about 59 or even 60% of upside potential with the downside potential of about 6%, which means 10-to-1 risk to reward ratio is a very lucrative setup, and as long as this bottom holds, this price target is on the table. But on the bear side, guys, if this asset breaks the level of about $5.26, in this case, next crucial level that might be the range of support for this asset is golden pocket range, the level in between $4.99 and $5.14. It is a confluence with the psychological number of $5 mark, and that is why, guys, be cautious with its upcoming movements. If it breaks this bottom, this will be the next point of control, but if it breaks this top, this setup of for more than 60% of profit is on the table. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.